Audrey Tautou, Marion Cotillard, Isabelle Huppert. All these women look gorgeous and elegant at any age. So, they have to know some kind of ultimate beauty secret, right? Nope. They're just following a couple of simple and quick beauty guidelines you can follow too. Say no to contouring. Contouring takes over the world these days, but French girls aren't that into it. French beauty is all about showing the natural features of the face, not hiding them and drawing new ones. Maybe you should try going contour-free too. A little bronzer on the cheeks for a fresh and shiny look doesn't count. Embrace your imperfections. Take a closer look at French women's style. It's kinda effortless and even a bit messy, right? They don't style their hair that much, choose on popular vintage accessories, and don't make obvious outfit choices. And that's exactly why you can't take your eyes off of them. They don't care about putting it all together correctly. They stay natural and free and have one little secret: perfection is boring. Choose red lips. If you're looking for a quick way to upgrade your look, take it from French women and put your favorite red lipstick on. There's nothing this baby can't fix, and women from Paris know that pretty well. Whether you wear a pastel dress with an elegant hat or rock torn jeans with a plain white tee, red lipstick will make you look feminine, chic, and fabulous. Go for a simple manicure. Crazy colored nails, or even the style that we, for some reason, call French manicure, are too much for French women. They love to stay natural, remember? So anything that takes way too much time or money is a no-go. Most women from France prefer to keep their nails short and use a clear polish or no polish at all to make them look good. The same rule applies for pedicures, by the way. Stop damaging your hair. All these hair dryers and flat irons destroy the structure of your hair big time. French women know this and choose to splurge on expensive hair products instead. Nourishing hair mask here, essential oil there, a great hairbrush made of natural materials, and your hair looks amazing without any styling. Women of France have one hairstyling trick though. They wash their hair, let it dry naturally, and style it the next day when it becomes perfectly smooth. Improve the quality of your sleep. Believe it or not, the pillow you sleep on can really affect your skin and hair. And if you want this effect to be good, follow French women's footsteps and buy yourself a silk pillow. It's completely hypoallergenic, so it helps your skin keep its natural moisture through the night. Moreover, sleeping on a silk pillow can reduce your wrinkles and make your skin smooth. Your hair gets its dose of benefits too. Silk's natural properties can stop the friction of your hair. Say goodbye to split ends. Keep your makeup bag light. Most women's makeup bags are a mess. Numerous lipsticks, contour sticks, highlighters, and eyeshadow palettes. French women, on the other hand, only carry the essentials. Of course, a light foundation and a powder are a must. They make your skin tone perfect. Women from France don't reapply the powder every hour, though. They prefer to let their natural skin shine through. French eye makeup means a thin layer of mascara on the lashes, but you can always spice it up with a quick smoky eye for the evening. And finally, 2 lipsticks, one for the natural nude look and a red one for a crazy night out. Use your perfume correctly. Coco Chanel once said, "A woman should wear perfume wherever she wants to be kissed," and French ladies followed this simple tip. Of course, they never forget about the neck and the wrists, but they know how to get creative with it. For example, you can see a French woman spraying a little bit of her favorite scent on her pillow or into her suitcase to make sure the clothes will smell nice after a long trip. Plus, they rarely change their perfume. They pick the one they like and make it their own signature smell. Splurge on a good haircut. French beauties follow one simple principle. You can wear $10 clothes and nobody will ever know, but get a cheap haircut and your look will instantly be ruined. Most of them are ready to pay a fortune for a good hairstylist who knows how to make their hair look amazing. Not a bad idea, right? Plus, a skilled hairstylist will give you a haircut that doesn't need any special fixing, except for fancy events. Imagine how much time you'll save. Stick to a simple skincare routine. Another thing French women spend tons of money on is skincare products. Less is more is their true motto, so they don't need much, just a good face cleanser, sunscreen, and moisturizer. They also enjoy using essential oils for the face, body, and hair. However, one thing you definitely won't find on their nightstand is skin peels. Instead, they use different kinds of masks before they go to bed to restore and rejuvenate the skin after a long day. Give yourself facial massages. Regular facial massages can completely transform your skin, and you don't have to go to pricey beauty salons for that. Here's what French ladies do. Whenever they apply a moisturizer, and you should do it both in the morning and in the evening, they gently press the heels of their hands along their jawline and up towards the ears. Then you can go for the apples of your cheeks right to your temples, using your fingertips. And lastly, draw a line from your eyebrows to your hairline for a final touch. Leave your eyebrows alone. It's hard to find a French woman with heavy and unnaturally dark eyebrows. Drawing them for half an hour just isn't their thing. They'd much rather spend this time taking care of them, so they'll look healthy, big, and thick on their own. A couple of drops of essential oil, regular homemade masks, consistency, patience, and bam! Your brows are perfect. That's why the only thing French ladies put on their brows is a styling gel. Forget about strict diets. Women from France have their own opinion about hot new diets. Sure, losing a couple of extra pounds is cool, but the lack of vitamins and minerals can make your system weaker. This doesn't mean that they eat whatever, though. Their secret to having a beautiful body is eating a little. You want a chocolate bar? Good, but not too much. Your system craves a burger? Buy it, but don't go crazy with it. According to French eating philosophy, you can basically eat anything you want. Just stop right away when you feel full. The only strong restriction French ladies follow is less sugar to keep the skin healthy. Try cold showers. Want to keep your skin fresh and young looking? French women have an answer for that. Cold showers. First, you have to get in a hot bath, light some scented candles, relax, and enjoy yourself. But after that, it's time for a cold shower. This combo will stimulate your blood circulation and keep your skin toned, instantly taking care of the problem zones on your body. Just don't forget to use a moisturizer afterwards. Work on your confidence. French women aren't fans of plastic surgery, so you won't find many women with fake noses, cheekbones, or lips on the streets of Paris. They accept themselves as they are, flaws and all, and let their unique appearance shine. And that's the main secret of their enigmatic charm and charisma. After all, if you don't believe in your own beauty, who will? Don't try to follow stupid and unrealistic beauty standards. Create your own. Do you have any helpful beauty hacks of your own? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe. Stay on the bright side.